Hi, my name is Eric Lind. I'm the Vice President of Global Specifications for Lutron, and I'm here today to talk to you about Enterprise Vue and a new edition, Limelight by Lutron for exterior spaces. So one of the elements about commercial buildings today is that they have had systems fundamentally tied into the whole idea of smart buildings, and for that we've had both Quantum and Vive that have been used in those buildings. But in doing so, those were standalone individual systems for the entire building or for a tenant fit-out space. Now what Enterprise Vue will do is allow you to take multiple Quantum, multiple Vive, and now include the external edition for parking lots and parking garages, which is called Limelight by Lutron. What you look at when you think about this is a campus, and a college campus might be a great example, where each of these buildings might have one or multiple of these systems in those buildings, and they can all be rolled up under one dashboard, which we'll show to you next. So when you think about a building and what's important to the facilities people and fundamentally the people that are occupying the building, we think about data that needs to be used to operate the building. So if you look at a dashboard like this, these are three great examples of information that people are focused on today. The first is space utilization, my ability to understand each of my rooms in my building and how many hours of the day are they actually being used. They may uncover that there are spaces that are being used very little, and they can do a better job of either repurposing the space, turning it into a different type of room, or directing people there for meetings or other types of activities. The second piece of the larger dashboard is energy savings. A big component of green buildings and smart buildings is the ability to reduce energy, reduce their footprint. This actually gives you a real-time scorecard on how you're doing, as well as tracking historical data to allow you to see your building's performance over time. And the third component for a facilities person is alerts. It's that day-to-day operations for the building. And alerts can be rolled up in a way that an email message or a text message to the facilities person would let them know that there is a driver outage or a battery outage, let's say on the third floor in a specific room, let's say room 303. So the systems that comprise Enterprise Vue are made up of the three that I've talked about. Quantum, which is our new construction, larger building system. Vive, which is our retrofit or new construction, but typically smaller spaces. And now our latest addition, which is Limelight by Lutron for exterior spaces, primarily parking garages and parking lots. For more information on Enterprise Vue and these systems that make it up, you can go to lutron.com/right environment.